All of you, hope you guys are great and welcome back to Complete Solidity course. So before I take you straight away into my remix ID, I thought let's make a dedicated video as an introductions where we're going to talk about the complete architecture of this entire course, that how I'm planning to take this course forward, how I have designed this complete project, complete course, and what are the projects you're going to build at the end of the course. Okay, so what we are going to do in this course, we're going to explore every single keywords exist in Solidity. We're going to check that how we can utilize it in our code, in our smart contract, how we can call in between the functions, out of the functions, how we can write a very good smart contract using all those keywords. So first thing, we're going to give huge focus on the keywords, on the syntax which are there, and try to build logic around that, because that's the most important part. You have to know that how you have to utilize it. So we're going to focus on that. We're going to explore each and every syntax, each and every keywords exist in Solidity, and we're going to write codes around that. And once we cover one topic, for example, if we are talking about variables in Solidity, so first we're going to write the code around it. We're going to check the variables, what is variables, what type of variables we have in Solidity, and how we can utilize it in our state variable and in our local variables. So we're going to check all the possibilities of that variables in our smart contract. So once we've done with the smart contract, once we're done with the practical knowledge, then I would give you a little bit theoretical knowledge, because that's what you have to know. So when you will go for a job interview, there your interviewer might ask you about the syntax, about the possibility of a certain functions around the keyword. Okay, so that's what you have to know. So I'll try my best to cover at least 4 to 5 questions on every single keyword, or which we're going to cover, which possibly going to be asked in your interview if you are applying for a blockchain developer. Okay, so this is how I'm going to plan this theoretical part along with the code we're going to write around the keywords. So that's for the Solidity and its syntax learning. Okay, so once we're done with the complete Solidity course, okay, all the syntax, everything we have completed, after that we're going to build two projects. Okay, the first project is going to be the biggest one, where we're going to build a complete NFT marketplace like open. You guys have already seen. If you haven't seen, just Google it. OpenSea, it is one of the largest NFT marketplace. So we're going to build a clone of that. So the technology we're going to use for building that NFT marketplace are like front end. For front end, we're going to use, in backend we're going to cover a lot of things. We will cover how you can handle error globally, how you can design proper model for creating data. So that's all we're going to cover when we will talk about the backend development, and when we connect with our front-end application for with Next.js. And for our smart contract, we're going to write the code in Solidity, and that we're going to write all the smart contracts for reselling, for creating NFT, for listing NFT, for buying NFT, for transferring money. So that's all contract we're going to write. I'll explain you every single piece of code we'll write in our smart contract, and the packages we're going to install is like Open Zeppelin. So you will find a tons of learning once you will complete that project. So this is how I'm planning to take this course forward. First, I'll give highly extensive focus on Solidity and try to clear every single concept around the keywords, how you can utilize it in your smart contract, what are things you have to keep in mind, so you can save some money. As you all know that when you run and deploy your contract, you have to pay gas fees. Okay, so how you can decrease that gas fees, how you have to define the state variable, whether you have to use loop, in what condition you have to use loop, so you don't need to pay higher gas fee. Okay, so a lot of things we're going to cover in this complete Solidity course. So I hope you will have a lot of fun, and I'm going to provide you all the notes, all the codes right on my website, so you can visit and you can download it from there. But what I want you to give your time. Just follow the incomplete course, follow every single topic. If you don't understand anything, repeat that, watch it one more time. If you have any doubt, write in the comment sections, or I have a Discord server where just join that, post your comment. We have a huge members there, everybody going to help you. I can able to answer you and reply you faster. So this is how I'm planning to take this entire Solidity course forward. Hope you will have fun and you will learn Solidity, because you know that Solidity is very popular. If you become a good smart contract developer, there is a huge scope. Market needs smart contract developer. Market need someone who can verify the contract which is written. We can find the vulnerabilities are there. So make sure you try to give your complete focus. And when you are watching this tutorial, don't just watch. Okay, do practice. If you don't understand anything, repeat over and over again, because I have made a lot of mistakes while learning this, and I don't want you to do the same thing. Okay, don't waste your time, just watch it and follow it. Just try to keep everything in your head. So once you understand one thing, then move to the next one. Okay, and we're going to build a lot of cool projects. Before I end this video, I want you to have a look the project we're going to build at the end of this course. I have already designed the templates using those technology which I have already told you, but don't need to worry about it. We're going to write every single thing from scratch. Okay, for showing you as a demo, I built it already, and I wanted to make everything look good and functional, and then I'm going to build a tutorial on top of that, and I can explain you every single thing. Okay, watch the project we're going to build, otherwise you can move to the next video. From there we're going to start our first lecture of Solidity course. So see you there.